Okay, this is gonna be a US General 5-drawer tool cart and 4-drawer tool cart. Little tour today. This is not really a review about the carts. From off my last previous video, I stated that I would come back to some scan tools that I basically have. So I'm gonna come over to the items so that you can see them now. I'll start back here with the Creator multi-system scanner. This is a BMW scanner, the C310 Plus OBD2. As you can see, it comes with a software, a soft case. Then you have your OBD2 connection. Then it also comes with a separate jack that can be installed into a laptop. Okay, now we'll move over here. This is another BMW scan tool. It's the Creator C10 Plus BM code scanner. As you can see, this is what the device looks like. It also has OBD2 connection and also a separate connection that runs to a laptop or computer. And as you can see, it has its software. Then it has a scanner manual. The cases are soft cases. I'll come back over here. Now I'll get into the Bluetooth diagnostic equipment. Here, as you can see, this is the carista. This is what it looks like. This is what type of case it comes in. Then over here, you have the Bluetooth Professional OBD2 scan tool, the bluedriver. This is the device right here. You stick it into your OBD2. It can be connected to a cell phone, laptop, or a tablet. Then over here, as you can see, I have another BMW scanner that connects to OBD2. Then it has a connection port with software that runs to a laptop. Then you get over here, you have oil inspection service OBD2 for BMW. Then here, as you can see, I have a BMW 20-pin OBD2 adapter. Okay. We get over here, I have another simple light small OBD2 scanner that's mainly more used for other vehicles other than just BMW. But most of the majority of the scan tools that I have actually evolve around BMWs. Back over here, this is the AK90 Plus. This is a BMW key reprogrammer. As you can see, here's the software, and when you're using the device, this end goes in here. There's a chip that's located in the BMW keys that connects to this port here. Then you have your jack that runs to the laptop, and you download the software so that you can refigure and get factory settings and reprogram the BMW keys. Over here, I have another BMW scanner that comes with software. You need a laptop for 1, 2, 3, and 4. But these are manually user-friendly, unlikely like the Bluetooth versions, because just like being anywhere, you gotta have the proper connection when you're getting a Bluetooth. But basically, I could reprogram and open certain settings and certain functions in vehicles that most people don't know that they even have in their vehicles. We clear check engine code lights, all sorts of different codes, not just read them, but clear them. The Bluetooth and the Carista, they give you a description of basically what the problems and the solutions are in a diagnostic. Something like what an all data would do and show and read the codes back to you. So these are the scan tools, care, as you could see. Give you another quick look. All right, peace.